ददाति शुभदान्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरोन् वैष्णवंश्च श्रीरूपं सागरजातं सहगणा रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनासहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगणा ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितं श्रीकृष्णा करुणासिन्धो दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरि वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रियान् सकलपत्रभ्यश्च प्रवासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसुदि गौरवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे कम करति वाचालं पंगुं लंघायते गिरिं कृपातुं वन्दे परमानन्दं सच्चिदानंद हरे कृष्ण दंडोत शुभपाद just give me 1 minute. So Lord Chaitanya, he wanted to go to so Lord Chaitanya wanted to go to and we discussed the the deliverance of Amogha, the deliverance of Amogha, the son-in-law of Saram Bhattacharya. You know, this envy is very, I mean, very important. This quality we need to get rid of. I'm talking to myself, you know. Um, this is like a disease, and this is like a disease, and uh, excuse me. And what is the medicine? You know, what is the medicine? Excuse me. The medicine is uh, chanting the holy name. The medicine is chanting the holy name. It doesn't matter what positions. Actually, this world, everything is temporary. And Karuna is actually making us understand. But it is not like a what, and not like a nail. You can just clip it off. You know, it's not like a nail. You can clip it off. Why we have got this body? Because we want to enjoy independent of Krishna. And we got this mind. We got ego. So difficult. So we are living with enemies. We are living with, we married to them, not knowing that they are deadly enemies. Anger, greed, lust, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. Lust, anger, envy, greed, pride, false ego, illusion. And not knowing that, uh, not knowing that we are, give me a minute. Yeah, not knowing that uh, we are harboring these enemies. We are thinking they are our friends. The universities, the parents, the relatives, they are telling increase it. Increase your greed, increase your envy, increase your lust. Do you agree? Huh? What a disease it is. First of all, we don't even realize it. Unless you do serious sadhana for years, we don't understand that we have it. Right? and that envy manifests in different, different, different varieties of manifestations. Correct. So, so also like in every year, the devotees come. Every year, the devotees come and, um, you know, every year devotees come and stay with Lord Chaitanya, and they would perform the pastimes. You know, uh, uh, devotees would, Lord Chaitanya, and they would come and they would take part in Puri, Rath Yatra festival, and they'll stay for 4 months and they would leave. So Lord Chaitanya, 1 year, 1 year, what happened? The wives also came. Lord Chaitanya is actually he is developing a desire to go to Vrindavan. Listen very carefully. Lord Chaitanya, Prabhupada writes, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami says, and actually Lord Chaitanya is Supreme Personality of Godhead. But what he's doing is asking devotees, Sarvamvata Ramanand Rai, I want to visit Vrindavan. So he needs devotees' blessings to go to Vrindavan. Like Lord Ramchandra performed the role of a Dasharad Nandan, Dasharad Nandan Ram. Lord Chaitanya performed the role of a devotee. Of course, Lord Ramchandra hardly exhibited his Vishnu. He revealed his divinity to very few people, few times. But Lord Chaitanya did a lot, you know. As and when out of causeless mercy, Lord Chaitanya revealed his divinity to the devotees of Navadvip, to Sarvam Bhattacharya, to everyone actually. Um, I should not say everyone, to many, to Kurma Brahmana, you know, in the South Indian travels he did. He showed it to uh, Gopal Bhatta Goswami's father, you know, Venkata Bhatta. He did that. But always externally, when he was not internal, he would behave like a devotee. I mean, he would exemplify the character of a devotee. So he's telling, I want to go to Vrindavan. No, no, my Lord Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra. Okay, then, my Lord Vijay Dashmi is coming. Okay, Vijay Dashmi, Deepavali. Deepavali is, my Lord Kartik is here. Kartik is over. Then, what is that? You know, the different phase after Kartik, what? Uh, and the this Margasir month is coming. Then Pongal is coming. Then again, what is that? So likewise, devotees of the past 2 years. 1 year, what happened? The ladies came with the husbands, Shivanand Sen and wife, um, Srivas Thakur and his wife Malini Devi, Advaita Charya and Sita Thakurani. So they all, whoever is married, they all came with their wives, and Lord Chaitanya, he received them with so much of, he received them with so much of respect. He would send garlands uh, to receive Advaita Acharya Nityananda Prabhu. And again, when they would come close to, when they would reach Atharnala, and they would come close, he would send more garlands with Dasarudhar Goswami for more devotees. And when they would come close, he would go to temple, Simhadwara gate to see them. And they would all take darshan of Jagannath Swami, Jagannath Balsudramai. They would come to Gambhira, where one, you know, mm, Kashi Mishra and uh, Vaninad, Patnaik, sorry, Vaninad, they would bring, you know, prasad. And Lord Chaitanya, and Chaitanya Charitamrita is all about devotees chanting the holy name and taking prasad. That's it, nothing else. And then what is that? That year Advaita Charya, Mother Mala Shiva, Advaita Charya anointed. But no, Lord Chaitanya is not alone. Last time I told, a 10 server, 10, sorry, 10 sannyasis, Madhavendra Puri, Brahma, sorry, not Madhavendra Puri, Paramananda Puri, Brahmananda Bharati, Vishnu Puri, all Prabhupada, all, sorry, not Prabhupada, all Lord Chaitanya's, Ishwar Puri's God brothers, Lord Chaitanya's Guru's God brothers, and so Advaita Charya thought, if they all would come, probably I may not be able to serve Lord Chaitanya nicely. What if Lord Chaitanya would come alone? What if Lord Chaitanya would come alone, Ash? So, so Lord Chaitanya, is in everyone's heart as Paramatma. And what he did, okay, he's present in everyone's heart as Paramatma. Fine. He sanctioned it. So as they were getting ready to, come together to take lunch with Lord Chaitanya, there was a big storm. The clouds came together and there was a big rainstorm, the pouring rain. But Lord Chaitanya's way to, on the way to, and the Lord Chaitanya, from Lord Chaitanya's residence to Advaitacharya, it was just, what is that? Very tiny showers. And it's like a drizzle, literally. You know, so and Lord Chaitanya just went alone. And Advaitacharya's Sita Thakurani, she's partial expansion of Lakshmi. She knew Lord Chaitanya liked shak, spinach. She made 10 varieties of spinach and all the things she brought from Navadvip to feed. They opened it and Advaitacharya personally cooked. Hare Krishna. He personally cooked. And and Lord Chaitanya came along and he started feeding Lord Chaitanya all this prasad. And and as Lord Chaitanya was eating, Advaitacharya was offering prayers to Lord Indra. My Indra, um, very, very grateful to you. Thank you very much. Lord Chaitanya said, what is that you're doing? Offering praise to Indra? What happened? My Lord, you know everything. Thank you very much. Hey, you know everything. Thank you very much. No, you facilitated. What is not possible for you in this cosmic manifestation? The powerful Panchabhutas, they're under your control. They work under your direction. So Advaitacharya offered prayers actually. Advaitacharya offered prayers. Then Malini Devi, the wife of Shiva Thakur, she treated Lord Chaitanya as her own son. Lord, when her son died, Lord Chaitanya said to them, Nityananda Nityananda Prabhu and myself, we are your sons. So she also, they also extended the, invitation to Lord Chaitanya, and he also ate. So then that year, Lord Chaitanya told Nityananda, please don't come. Lord Chaitanya told him the year before, still he came. But he said, please don't come. Whatever I have, Amara Dushkara Karma Toma Haite Haya. What is it? It's impossible for me even. You can do it. Lord Chaitanya delivered Prakasana Saraswati and he delivered Sarvam Bhattacharya, the leaders. And Nityananda Prabhu, Jagya Madai. So, what is that? Lord Chaitanya's, what is Advent? You know, his advantage is to deliver the conditions, fallen conditioned souls of Kali Yuga. Hare Krishna. पतिता पवनाय तो तवावतारा मौसमा पतिता प्रभु तपई बिहारा. You know, who is my Lord? You are the most magnanimous, beneficent incarnation. What is Kali Yuga? Everyone, is a victim of the greed, lust, anger, envy, greed, pride. Hare Krishna. You know, so please. Nityananda Prabhu said, Lord Chaitanya said, no, don't come. You know, Nityananda Prabhu said, my Lord, you are the life, I am the only body. There is no between the body and the life itself. But the life is more important than body. You can do whatever you want to do with this body. Achintya Shakti kare tumi tahara ghatan. Ye karaha se kari nahi ka niyamo. So in this body is only mine. You are the soul acting in that. So devotees don't take credit. They give credit to Guru. They give credit to Krishna. They give credit to Lord Chaitanya. Right? So anyway, there's that year what happened. There's a nice story. Odana Sashti. That's a year when they wanted to. That is a year. Pundrik Vidyanidhi came. Pundrik Vidyanidhi came, and there was a Odana Sashti. There is a day they give a new cloth to Jagannath. So new cloth means the cloth should be, you buy a cloth from the weaver, and it should be what is that? They usually weavers those days they would keep starch, but a starch cloth should not be offered to Jagannath. So one day, Nitya Chaitanya, Lord Chaitanya, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and what is that? All the devotees, Pundrik Vidyanidhi, Saradhananda Goswami, Saradhananda Goswami and Pundrik Vidyanidhi, good friends. So they are sitting together, and so when they were offering a cloth with starch cloth to Jagannath, Pundrik Vidyanidhi commented, "Why they are offering a starch cloth? It's an offense." So Sridhar Goswami said, Jagannath is accepting what is our problem. Still, Pundrik Vidyanidhi did not give it up. So that night, Jagannath Swami came in the dream, then he started slapping him. Why are you finding fault? What is your problem? When I don't have problem. Pundrik Vidyanidhi is, Vrishabhanu, you know that, right? Very interesting relation, Krishna and Vrishabhanu. Still, in the past time, Krishna and Pundrik Vidyanidhi the devotee. So that's why he came with his brother and Baldev and he started slapping. My Lord, please forgive me, forgive me. We should, to that extent, Hare Krishna. So Jagannath did not like his devotees to be criticized, his servants to be criticized. So next day morning, Pandit Vidyanidhi got up, his cheeks were swollen. They're so real. Hare Krishna. Then, fine. But anyway, you know very well, Krishna's punishment and reward, it's same, equal. Whatever Krishna does is for our benefit, right? So Lord Chaitanya, the devotees left. Whenever devotees would leave, so this feeling of separation, Lord Chaitanya would become morose. They would be morose. Very interesting, you know. But they would leave. Then Lord Chaitanya said, "No, I want to go to Vrindavan. Please, my desire to go to Vrindavan increased." So Ramananda and Sarvabhaumacharya understood. No, no, we cannot hold the Lord for a long time. And what they did? Uh, I want to go to Bengal. I want to see my mother. Who is the second one? River Ganges. I want to see my Janani and Jahnavi. I have two shelters in Bengal. my mother, and river Ganga. And I want to go to Vrindavan through Bengal. So Saurabh Bhattacharya said, all right, we should not hold, we are tricking the Lord. It doesn't look good. All right, my Lord, yes. You know. So they said, after Vijayadashmi, you can leave. So Lord Chaitanya, what he did, as soon as Vijayadashmi is over, then they said, you take one more servant. And you take one servant, the past experience, right? Said, I don't need that. No, no, no. So we will carry your clothes and we will arrange prasad for you. So I think you should. So there is one sannyasi called. You should take two people. I know one. This Balbhadra Bhattacharya. He's a scholar. He loves Shivarupa. You should take him with you. Lord Chaitanya agreed. So without the early morning, he went and took darshan of Jagannath Swami and he immediately left. He left. Immediately left. So and what is that? Uh, but devotees, of course, devotees followed with him, and so he went from Bhawanipur to Katak. I want to share with you today. Wonderful. What is that? Delhi. Earlier during Rath Yatra, we discussed how, on the advice of Maharaj, on the advice of Saram Bhattacharya, Maharaj Prataprudra disguised himself as a devotee and how Lord Chaitanya embraced him and revealed him, that loving exchange. Reading, he reciting Gopi Geet and all the devotees. Sorry, Lord Chaitanya got up and embraced him. Nobody knew what happened, but Lord Chaitanya, he gave his mercy. He revealed his appearances, knowing fully well this is Saram Bhattacharya. But still Saram Bhattacharya was disguised. Finally, Lord Chaitanya asked, who are you? Saram Bhattacharya said, sorry. Maharaj Prataprudra said, my Lord, I am your servant of servant. I am your servant of servant. Now, Lord Chaitanya left from, what is that? Uh, he went from Puri to Katak. He went from Puri to Katak, and um, wherever he went, they arranged prasad for him. They arranged prasad for him, and so when he reached Katak, they arranged a palanquin for Lord Chaitanya. And when he reached Katak, Katak is the capital of Maharaj Prataprudra. You know, so what Ramananda Rai did, Ramananda Rai took Lord Chaitanya, one Brahmin offered him, one Brahmin offered a accommodation, offered his place to stay. Lord Chaitanya stayed, and that afternoon he was lying under, he was taking rest under a tree. Sannyasi, right? Then what happened? Immediately, Ramananda went and told Maharaj Prataprudra, Lord Chaitanya is here. You should know Chaitanya Charitamrita describes the mood of Maharaj Prataprudra. Wow. Immediately Maharaj Prataprudra rushed to the place. And Lord Chaitanya was resting, he was lying under the tree. And Maharaj Prataprudra came, offered his obeisances, got up, offered obeisances, got up, offered obeisances, got up, and the tears were pouring from his eyes. His body was filled with devotion, hairs were standing on the hand. He exhibited the symptoms of, that devotion to Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya was immensely pleased, and Lord Chaitanya embraced Maharaj. And, Lord Chaitanya embraced, bestowed. Wow. So, because, he's a devotee. So bhakti means it doesn't mean what we are. We can be king, you can be beggar. So a beggar doesn't have bhakti, but a king has bhakti. Wow. जन्मेश्वरी श्रुता श्रीपरेतमानमदपुमान् नैवारात्यापि जातं वै त्वं किञ्चन गोचरम्. High parentage, rich, if you know the rich, affluent, affluent or opulent. If you are very, what is that, intellectual, knowledge, and beauty, these four things, we cannot, if you have it, Kunti says, we cannot take shelter of Krishna. Why? Krishna is the property of impoverished. Akinchana gocharam. नमो अकिंचन वित्ताय निवृत्ता गुणतये आत्मारामश संताय कैवल्य पतये नमः. Another verse by Kunti only. Then why? Then how is it that the emperor, the king Prataprudra, I mean king, okay, he's a king to a small province. What about Ambarish? What about Parikshit? What about Yudhishthir? Then if they have all these things, Maharaj Yudhishthir was born to Pandu high parentage. Then he became an emperor. Himself is rich and is fully knowledgeable and is very beautiful. Then Krishna, why Krishna gave so much mercy to Maharaj Parikshit, Maharaj Ambarish? Why? Having everything in this world, they felt nothing is, they own nothing. They felt nothing belongs to themselves. They still felt they are beggars. So being the kings, they are like sannyasis. Being married, they followed. They were very committed to their wife and children, only wife, and followed full principles of Grihastha Ashram. Haribol. That's why they have occupied the pages of Srimad Bhagavatam. But the beggars in India, wearing saffron, sitting by the roadside with the bowl, they did not occupy the position of they did not occupy the pages of Srimad Bhagavatam, right? Bhakti is all about a state of consciousness. If you have it, you have it. You don't have it, you don't have it. What Bhakti is not an austerity. What austerity is Brahmana Patnis, Dvija Patnis did before they met Krishna? What opportunity, what austerities that Sudhama, the Malakar, who made the garlands, who gave garland to Krishna, did. Hare Krishna. What austerity Kubja did to attain the mercy of Krishna. Bhakti is very tricky. Bhakti is amazing. What is needed? It's separate. Arjuna fought, killing actually. People is a mode of ignorance, but he has done that for Krishna. Became glorified and famous. Right? Sometimes okay, if only I had joined full time, I would have become no, not needed. What Prabhupada has achieved, no one has ever achieved in the history of the mankind. Right? And Shivanand Sen was a grahastha. Lord Chaitanya said, I am Shivanand Sen, I am the property of your family. Lord Chaitanya is telling Shivanand Sen, I am property of your family. And practically Chaitanya Lila majority are grahasthas. Right? But what is their state of consciousness? Why Lord Chaitanya chastises the milk drinking brahmachari, but you don't see that with anybody else. How they are all grahasthas. Wow. All need very qualified grahasthas. All need qualified devotees. Interesting. So, Prataprudra was a king, deals with money, position, power, fighting. But he became the recipient of mercy of Lord Chaitanya because of humility. He accepted a menial service. Very humble. Then immediately, that's why from that day onwards, he's called Prataparudra Santrata, the deliverer of Lord, the King Pratap. Hare Krishna. Deliverer of King Prataparudra. And Pratap Maharaj sent orders